Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your PayPal account using M-Pesa. This essential process links your mobile money to your online wallet, unlocking full functionality. We'll cover linking your accounts, making a small verification deposit, and confirming your status. A verified account offers increased transaction limits and enhanced security, making your online transactions smoother and more reliable. Let's get started with the first step to secure your financial transfers. To begin, visit the official PayPal mobile money service website or use the M-Pesa app. Log in with your PayPal account details, then enter your M-Pesa registered phone number. A 4-digit verification code will be sent via SMS to your M-Pesa number. Enter this code on the website or app to confirm the linking process. Remember, your PayPal and M-Pesa account names must match exactly for a successful link. Next, you'll initiate a small deposit from M-Pesa to PayPal, which serves as the verification step. On the PayPal mobile money service website, select Top Up and calculate the Kenyan shilling equivalent for your desired USD amount. Then, go to your M-Pesa menu, choose Lipa na M-Pesa, and select Pay Bill. Enter business number 800,088 and your M-Pesa phone number as the account number. Send the calculated amount to complete the transfer. Once your deposit is complete, log into your PayPal account to confirm the transaction. The small M-Pesa deposit will be reflected, indicating successful verification. A verified PayPal account offers significant advantages, including expanded transaction limits, typically up to 150,000 Kenyan shillings per transaction. You'll also benefit from enhanced security and unrestricted use of the platform, providing peace of mind for all your online financial activities. Enjoy the full capabilities of your linked PayPal and M-Pesa.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.